In this video, I'll show you how to create a moving car icon across a map using Camtasia. To achieve this effect, we'll combine a map image with a car icon and use Camtasia's motion path features. First, start by adding the car icon on a layer above the map. Next, apply the motion path effect to the car icon. Change the line type to a straight line to get started. Now, we need to add key points along the path and adjust the car's position at each one to simulate movement across the map. As you can see, the car icon doesn't naturally follow the street's direction just yet. To fix this, simply select the Auto Orient checkbox in the Motion Path properties. This will ensure the car rotates smoothly along the path and follows the road. If the path isn't straight and involves curves, no worries. You can still adjust the motion path points to follow those curves for a more realistic movement. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.